Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Nuova Simonelli Oscar machine with us in the shop. This is a heat exchanger, single boiler type of machine, and it came in for the one issue is being that water wasn't really going through the puck. Now that could be from a few issues, some of them I'm seeing, but we did have to adjust the estimate. All we did to this machine is we replaced the original water pump that was in the machine, as you can see right here, 2012 water pump. And so we were just replaced this and resealed it, did all that work. And so I'm gonna just show a little bit of the water that comes out. As you can see, you got quite a lot of water coming out the front because you got a brand new pump. And when you put the portafilter in there. A few things I noticed with this machine, just kind of give some notes. You do have partial clogging on your group head, and I would suggest taking off the shower screen, going in there, deep cleaning your group head. And you can kind of tell when you run the water and you look under it that it's quite clogged in there. As you can see, we're brewing a shot. I might have put a little too much coffee, or that partial clogging is really not helping. And so we ran out of water, but that's perfectly fine. But yeah, take this out. Then run the seam one. And that's about it. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.